You like my nails? Gee, thanks. Just polished. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you are returning, welcome back. Everyone, make sure you ding that bell so that you are not missing any of my videos that I post every single week. I am so excited to collaborate this week with Beetles Gel Polish. They sent me an amazing nail kit that I cannot wait to share with you all. This kit is actually the Valentines kit. Hint, hint, hint. I think this is the perfect kit for someone who also likes to do their own gel nails as well. So this is the packaging. It's so super cute. Just a little bit of information about Beetles Gel Polish. You can find this polish on Amazon. It says brighten your style. You guys, the colors are absolutely beautiful. Let me tell you, as you can see, I'm rocking the red. On the box, you'll see that it tells you that there is a low smell, which I didn't personally smell any polish at all when I was doing my gels. Non-toxin-free gel, no harm to the skin, and on the back it tells you the directions, the warnings, the storage care, and of course the ingredients. On the inside of the box, this is how it looks when you receive it. You guys, I think it's so cute that they give you little stickers so that you can create your own colors. So it says, interestingly, enjoy your own color stickers. So you can either put the polish on these stickers, or I personally thought it would be cute to like come up with cool names for the polishes and stick them on myself. And then of course, also on the inside of the box, you have the application guide, which shows you all of the information that you need here. And on the inside, polish for days, literally. So on the inside, here are all of the polishes that I received. I literally don't have to get any more polishes for a very, very long time. They also sent me their very own base coat and top coat, which are absolutely amazing. They're perfect. I've already done my nails, as you can see, so I have tried out the product with the base coat, the top coat, and of course, the polish. So if you'd like to see all of the beautiful colors in this box, keep on watching.